Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2022 215 Dorado. This boat just came into our location here in Huntington, New York. We're going to start here at the Transom. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 150 outboard power. Great option for a boat this size. Ski pole. And then back here, you have this fold-away seat if you need more room. Back here in the cockpit for fishing. Rod holders, cup holders. Got a live well here for your bait. So it does a lot of things well. It's a great boat to spend the day on the water, entertaining, or if you want to be out fishing, you can do both with this boat. Moving forward to the port side, we have this neat little seat that in this position, you have forward facing, aft facing. It will also expand to make a nice little lounge style bed. This boat does have the Bimini top on it. You can see it's expanded right now. Plenty of headroom. I'm over 6 foot tall and you can see I can walk through here no problem. Captain's chair swivels. Nice steering wheel. Garmin multifunction display. Fusion stereo. And you got some switches over here on the right for your different functions that you would want to use. As we move forward, we do have a little compartment here for the bathroom. Plenty of room in there. For a boat this size, there's actually a lot of room. You have storage to this side. Your battery switches are also located in here. One unique option in this boat for the new design for the Dorado is the seamless windows. These are very cool looking, plenty of visibility, look great out on the water. You notice up here in the bow, very deep seating, very safe boat. If you were to sit down, you can see that you're into the boat, so you're not up top, and it's very safe for kids or anybody who will bring on the water. Your anchor storage up here, a couple other cup holders. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call at our Huntington location. Our sales consultants will be happy to answer your questions you may have. My name is Josh. Hope to hear from you.